So let me show you how to open Gboard settings on your Samsung phone. So if you're using the Gboard or Google Keyboard as your default keyboard on your Samsung phone, you can open up the settings by going into settings, and then under settings, scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then you can see Gboard is currently my default keyboard, and that's why I'm able to see Gboard settings. Now, if Gboard is not your default keyboard, you might want to go to this option first, keyboard list and default keyboard, and make sure Gboard is selected as your default keyboard. And then now you can go back one step, and then you should see Gboard settings. Tap on that, and there are your Gboard settings. So you can tweak how Gboard works and how it looks and how it responds to different things on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.